Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to unbox and review one of the newest earbuds in the market by the well-known brand that makes high-end earbuds, which is One More S50 earbuds, designed to revolutionize your listening experience with amazing features and incredible sound quality that we are going to discover all together in this video. So stay until the end of the video to discover everything about these earbuds. So let's get straight to the review. First up, let's talk about the innovative open-ear design. These sports earbuds allow you to stay connected to your favorite playlist and surroundings without ever having to remove them. The super lightweight built-in memory metal wire and ear hooks provide long wearing comfort and stability, ensuring they stay in place no matter how active you are, whether running, jumping, or anything in between. When it comes to sound, the One More S50 earbuds truly deliver. Powered by PurePower Driver technology and featuring a diamond-like carbon DLC diaphragm, these earbuds offer a 40% boost in power compared to conventional models. Experience remarkably well-balanced sound with clarity and precision no matter when or where. With 4 microphones and directional sound loops, the AI-enabled ENC algorithm accurately picks up your voice while eliminating background noise by up to 30 dB. Plus, innovative skin-friendly silicone directional sound loops decrease sound leakage and provide all-day comfort, so you can enjoy your favorite playlist without any distractions. And no need to worry about the battery life anymore. The One More S50 earbuds offer an impressive 38-hour playtime with the charging case. That's 11 per charge, and with the quick 5-minute charge feature, you will get 2 hours of listening time in a pinch. Recharge the case easily by placing it on a wireless charger or using a USB-C cable for added convenience. And finally, with an IPX7 waterproof rating, these earbuds provide ultimate protection for your active lifestyle. So whether you are working out, running in the rain, or having a walk, or just enjoying some lectures by the pool, the One More S50 earbuds are definitely built to withstand it all. In conclusion, I would say that the One More S50 earbuds offer a winning combination of innovative design, exceptional sound quality, long-lasting battery life, and rugged durability. That's everything I have for you about today's review. I hope it was useful and helped you decide whether these earbuds are the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below in the comment section. I will leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to grab yours and enjoy all the amazing features that these earbuds by One More promise. See you in the next video. Peace.